Welcome back. It is the Van Rap Radio. Ndingazina ndikadibani duka ndisuhana nding'ona ndiwa maunguni variwana ndipalaka www.vanrapradiostation.co.za vadownloada music wa mahala vauploada vastreama vaita zvithu zvodharawo tiri kana vadownloada app dzashu vari pakadzifoni dzavo rikamba kadzi app stores pedzi pungwa siyelo pungwa liradanga lavazvidiwa corona kuchinyaza corona kuita zviyahura rinotijena kako 700 and something yange nthani takadzinomboro musiri kosedza nganthani anyaluwe hawanobva from 554 khala mulova 554 khala mulova rikaona zori khala namusi rori richivhuwa iyo rikaona uri hayi man uraziva kunoni kugonya kuchiya rinovaka 709 zvinozokwamba uri naichi chipinga rinodhipirira kare pedzi wapingonda kudhakokera vathu vanji vakwamba uri hehe ndiri nisongotsa Limpopo hehe nisongoita mini morina Limpopo unongoveya family anokhadenja. Do people think what Limpopo was delo sikanepo? Rikwamba ngamanda ane vana vakwambesa nina vana vabvana ngeLimpopo hehe nsongobuya. Do you know all the circumstances opambana na? Ndikwamba so ndikwamba ngori una muthu anondoshuma kutorengisa pa badani. And then achirengisa ndivona neyakonori achipedza ayarenge uroto arenkiseko chalelo dhuwa chamaduwa mararu. So now because there is no business, how do you expect these people to live? How do you expect these people to have some money, like something that they can actually buy food for these 21 days? So aram to asako afforda ugotiyo yayani mutu achisuka yani wasuka the isolated. You don't need to be in touch with your family or something. No, you can isolate yourself just like that, the same way we're doing. And everyone rangorodzura hona. So but was jonga really but Limpopo dziteki kahle apa thoni manda ne vavane vafori vone vakono afforda. You know, I can buy, yes, my 21 days wara. Okay, take your fucking money nini rengere ava vathu vane vakabudza vasongobuya hayani vane vamwe ndivona vachikoro vane vamwe at the moment they feel stranded because vakabudza kuti vasongobuya ukamamwe mashango ange venda nofara ngamitangano uri vana vasongobuya mayani. But those kids now, they don't have anywhere to go. Imagine mwana korodziye mwana vathu asuka avasokotodhipa hayaka chimwe chiboyfriend wanenge just uri akonopedza 21 days because venda vathu vakopenikisiwa nga ndila ine vakopenika to a point ne vathu avangotanganidzwa ubuya zvikoro zovhara vana va vathu vai vadzure gai vaite mini vale mini vagai hi vana vasho. Do you need to understand uri ngatorekora kwakhwaruji vana vathu vane avana vapusha mwana and then the little they have ndizini vakono kupusha ngazo. So now ovhara urali nikomureza uri vadola mini vadoita mini, like right, really muthu katuwa yanenge asuke mini zosuzwana asuka ati quarantine ndipose khona inenge dzidzule rumuni yawe chitangani chawo mutumbani wawe vadomunekedza zviḽiwa angangoma ningi what even ndadodikira miroho rata mina. So sometimes richiamba richiposta zvithu social media richitomovidza vathu dzimbudzi dzinguluve mabhapu zvidhera. Look at yourself first. If nine is afford or you didn't have food or you didn't have anywhere to go, none data mean what would be your last option? Arikidita vakwine to a point in rapedza uri kuvona vamwe vathu sazvidhera chidhera ndi musi when you're not thinking deep. Yes, if you feel uri ne I can afford, stay. If you feel uri you scared, some people feel comfortable uri even amfarai chitumbu chadhura ndikwine ari mfara ndadhifera ndiyaya if niko or ndida muthu ndontogomera. Imagine staying alone nodhivharira nepo and you have no one, like that guy Washington, I think, Washington. All over ayete because one of our strong brothers don't take over. He had no one to look after him. So there's a lot of reasons and circumstances zinaweza kupedza zikuisa vanhu vathu ayana radhivane nevafiwa vanovakuti ayani because vakorakwambechedza vakafila rio I need to get home, man, this is my holiday. Then those ones, they are irresponsible and all that probably, but we all have different reasons. We have different reasons why required. So I'm saying this based on people that I know, not right. So I had a time where I could chill at the market, hanging out na some of the guys that I chill with over the weekend. Yes. The guy got the umbrella Majita. Since the first case here reported your corona, I own a business. Like if us na the little is saved, if this continues for the next 2 months, he got no plan but to go back home because he won't be able to afford nobody rent, So Majita, we buy like whatever we could buy there from the market, trying to push the hustle and all that. But the truth in Yori, people are only talking based on the panic that it could push you by media, and people that think or everybody could be the same like them, forgetting or the circumstances ziyafambana. Some people don't have, and the only way they can eat is when they sell something, then they buy something, and when they can't do that, there's no other way. Nigga gotta go home. Shit. Okay. Yeah, that's just my opinion. You don't really have to agree with me, but that's how I'm seeing things, and that's the experience I have because of having people around me that I hang out with from time to time when I'm around, and yeah, daily basis, observing, checking. Like this lady that passes by the gate all the time, the side of clinic. Like if there is no sales, then there's no food in the house. We know there's people that are struggling even when there's no lockdown. And now it's just getting worse. You know what I mean? But some people don't care. They just think life is good because they're all having the good time. Shit, I'm out of here. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. What I'm saying is just my 2-cent opinion based on my observation and my life experience. Nah.